Nag-studio muna yung dalawa yan.
So if you sort of have them stood in the middle, further towards the back, and then do whatever it is that we make.
Alright, got it.
Smile.
Can you hold this out? I'll just stand in. Just stay there in the middle of the back, right? Here's the camera, see? You go there and then you pose, right? Pose, right? Look at the camera, right? You pose, okay?
Big smiles. And we'll do one more. Ready?
Great job! Super! Ayan, gawa kami ng ganyan, no? Para meron silang remembrance dito sa Peppa Pig World.
Ang ganda yung matama-lupan.
Look at the screen. That's your picture, see? The picnic is nice too. Paddle, see? 248. Ang layo na napuntahan namin. Napunta na kami ng bahay ni Peppa. Ito pala yung bahay ni Peppa Pig, no? Yan. So, welcome to Peppa's house. Yan. Ito yung bahay ni Peppa Pig. Wow, ang ganda pala ng bahay ni Peppa. See, they're all here. Oh my goodness.
Most important of all, I have to flip the pancakes.
They're all here.
Are you sure you want to flip the pancakes, Daddy Pig?
Welcome to Peppa Pig's house. Yan, may mga frame pa, oh.
And now look at that.
Si Mommy Pig.
There are lots of pancakes stuck to the ceiling.
Ah, yes. But that won't happen this time.
Hi, Peppa.
See, Daddy. What topping would everyone like on their pancake? Can I have this?
That's hard. Thank you, though. Thank you. So, medyo mahaba pa yung pila. Ayan, oh. Magpapapicture kami kay Peppa and George. Ayan sila, oh. So, nakapila lang muna kami saglit. Para meron kaming remembrance. So, biglang umulan. Ayan, siksikan kami dito sa loob. Hi! Sa playgroup. Merong play zone yung mga bata indoor. So pwede silang maglaro just in case umulan. Paglaruin muna namin yung mga bata habang muulan pa naman. Halika na, let's go. Let's check Daddy Pig's big tummy. Look, they have pizza. Wow, see? They have pizza. What do you like to eat? They have toasties, sandwiches. What do you like to eat? Pizza? Huh? What? So yung iba hindi namin masakyan. Itong balloon ride ni Peppa Pig. Paikot kasi, ikot-ikot. Eh, baka na mahilo doon yung mga bata. Tsaka itong Ferris wheel, ayaw nila. Eh, lalo ito, ayaw nila to. Yung tasa na lumilipad. Ayan. So, ayan, tamang inom na lang sila ng slushy nila. Napagod maglaro dun sa loob. Madam Gazelle's house? Where? This is Madam Gazelle's school.
Yeah, I want to go to Madam Gazelle's school.
But there's nothing inside. So, ayan yung bus. So, wala. Tapos na tayo sa ano? Peppa Pig's World. Yun na. Yun na yung Peppa Pig's World. Eh, playground na yan eh. Mr. Potato's playground na yan. So all in all, maganda dito sa Peppa Pig's World. Matutuwa ang mga bata, pati matatanda. And maraming pwedeng gawin, gaya ng mga nakita nyo. May mini playground pa nga eh. So talagang para siya sa mga bata. Ganda, galing. So andito naman kami ngayon sa kabila ng Peppa Pig World sa ano ang pangalan nito? Ayan, Tornado Springs. Ayan oh. So pareho lang silang nandito sa tama ba? Fulton's Park. Pero medyo mas mga pang teenager naman to. Ayan. Amusement park din. Medyo may pagka old US style yung theme ng park. Para mga cowboy, ano, Wild Wild West. Ayan, oh, puro mga medyo pang ano, no, mga teenagers na. So pag nagsawa ka dun sa Peppa Pig World, pwede naman kayo dito sa kabila. Ayan, may parang ano dito, no? Roller coaster, taas na ito. Although wala naman siyang loop or yung bumabalik-baliktad. Pero no? Taas din. Ayan, no? Din oh. Lang taas. Taas din pala. Ayun wala. Boom. Oh my goodness. Oh, nakakatawa. Umiikot pala siya pag nakaupo ka. Okay din. Nawala ah. Ayan, isa pang rides dito. Ayan oh, grabe oh. Pataas na ng pataas. Grabe. Parang ang hinahagis nyo, no? Woo! Grabe! Yan, so may nakita kaming candy shop. Daan daw kami, tingin sila ng mga treats para sa mga bata. So habang naglalakad-lakad kami para meron silang mga nginunguya. Ang ganda namang display nito sa bahay oh. 15 quid. Assorted na candies. 5 pounds. May Tootsie Roll pa, oh. Yung original na Tootsie Roll. 4 pounds. Mga keychain. Ang ganda. Ganda naman na ito, magnet.
Touch it. Yeah, there is sun inside.
Yun, so umabot kami ni Ivana sa carousel. Hi! I'm gonna ride the horsey. You happy with your birthday?
Seatbelts.
That's fine. Are you happy with your birthday?
Yeah.
What will you say with your birthday?
Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Nana.
We're gonna ride. Just hold it. Hold it, alright? Let's wear your seatbelt. Okay, let's wear it. This one. There you go. You're fine? You good? Can I ride here?
No.
The other side? You hold here. There you go. Hold my hand. Hi, ate, there's ate. Hi, ate. Hi, Ivana. Look, hey. No, this side. You say hi to us. Ivana. Ivana. So yan. 4 PM pa lang dito pero ay wala. Kita nyo naman madilim na. Ganun talaga na nag-DST. Matagal na yung gabi dito. So alas 4 pa lang madilim na and halos magsasara na rin yung park. So uwian na rin kami. Ayan. Ayan, uwian na yung mga tao. So thank you sa mga nanood and I'll see you again next time. Ayan, bye! Bye-bye!
Oh, yes, it's just missing.
Alright. Say bye.
Bye-bye. What's that? Oh, yeah, that's now?
Yeah. Success!